In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your curly hair routine. So today I'm going to do a pre-poo treatment, and I will be using the Healthy Hair Scalp Oil by Elodia. One thing I love about this oil, it has amazing ingredients like avocado, lavender, rosemary, cedarwood, thyme, and they all help to stimulate your scalp. For cleansing, I'm going in with the organic black soap wash. After rinsing it out, my hair always feels moisturized and clean. Going in with the deep conditioning mask, and while I'm putting it on my hair, I am also steaming at the same time for an intense treatment. Now I'm going to put my hair up and let it sit for about 30 minutes. After rinsing out the mask, I'm going in with the Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner by Camillia Rose from their Rosemary Oil line. Following up with a cream, and today I'm using the Twisting Butter Sweet Almond Milk and Honey by Camillia Rose.
Few moments later.
And boom, this concludes my curly hair routine. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.